Hello guys, welcome back to another video playing Build a Boat with my brother.
Hi.
Again, because he wants to be in every single one of my videos.
Yeah.
Oh, we did the RV battle one.
You already did it. I didn't do it. Well, I didn't make a good move. Nothing was so good. And out. Okay, one in or out.
Stop. I don't like Build a Boat. It's so hard. Perfect.
Build a boat. Build a boat. Build a boat. Build a boat. Then I have to put on to make a boat.
That's good. And now some more stuff. I don't know what that is. It's a treasure chest.
You put a treasure?
Yeah, why not? Some of this. Can you put some stuff on the bottom too? The private boat.
I can make a private boat.
Yeah, that's why you're gonna be in my team. The flag on my. I'll go over here and go to teams.
Why are we green?
Change.
We're green.
Yes, now you can come. Now come. Come, little boy.
Come, little boy. Come.
You're a little boy.
Come on, let's make a boat and 2 seats. Let's make a boat and 2
I have
seats.
2 seats. Oh, why do I keep remembering?
Where's the 2 seats at?
Wait, have some patience.
Oh my god, this boat is...
What? What is it? Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
You said it's bad? Okay, get out.
It's good.
Why'd you say it's bad?
It's good.
It's opposite die.
It's an opposite boat.
No, it's opposite die.
Opposite day? Okay. Opposite day. Opposite day. We're gonna make the biggest boat in the world.
No, we're not. This boat's gonna be really small.
What do you mean, Smolly?
I don't know.
We need to make it big. We need to.
Yeah, you're acting like a big baby saying, yeah, you need to make it more big. Be quiet, you big baby.
Okay.
Don't call me that.
Oh my God.
Captain Sea Farm.
Captain Umar.
We need to
Captain.
take out the chest. Nope.
How do you go on top of there?
You don't need to go on top. Or do you? Do you need to go on top of there?
I've never been on this.
A little tower.
Bam, that was close. Make some more so we can go up. Make some more so we can go up.
I don't have any more.
Bam, 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 bam.
Do you have some?
Yep. I think so. I think so. I am one of them.
How do you have treasure chest?
Huh?
What does the treasure chest do? Leave in the comments if you guys know. We can put on 2 motors.
2 motors. The Proby motors. Well, if you put on 2 motors, it can be fast.
Hey, get out of here, you boop guy.
Oh my god. His boats suck. His boat is stupid. Bang.
Yeah, 2 double motor boosters.
Let me see it.
Name.
We need to put a seat now.
I need some block seat.
Captain Umar. Captain B. Umar. No, that's good. That's good.
Okay. God, we're not even the boss.
No.
I'm the boss.
Okay. Okay, Bobby team. What?
No, I don't want to build that. No.
We have 2 engines. Engine Bugatti. Oh man, the sea is almost here.
No, it's not. I can call the sea. But you better not call the sea.
Sea.
Don't call it.
Okay.
Potato.
Or someone called.
That's my VIP seat. And
That's,
wait. Where's your seat at?
I found a seat.
Then put your seat. Ooh, a cannon.
A cannon?
Where'd the cannon go? Hey, where'd the cannon go?
Seat for me.
Did I put the cannon here somewhere?
Cannon? Where's the cannon? Why am I being in the back? I have a seat. I have 1 seat.
Here's the cannon. No, wrong way.
Oh my god, it's going to fire at you. Put it straight.
No, not that way.
Put it like fire at me.
I don't want to fire it at you.
Fire.
Bro, why is it going right there?
Maybe in this. I don't know why they're going there. Oh my god, we have 2 engines.
I guess I'll put it like that. I can fire.
How much
Hey, do you
is-
have your seat?
No, I didn't put it.
Get your seat and put it on.
How do I put it on?
Blah.
Wow, my seat is moving. Where's my seat going there? Oh, my seat is going everywhere.
Okay, then get it.
Get it?
Yeah, get it. Oh, I found your seat. I got you a seat. There's your seat, sir. And we need a special button for no reason.
Why is there a button?
I don't know. Let's press it. I think it makes it go more faster.
Yeah.
It's a button dutton.
Come on, let's start it.
No, not yet. We need
What do
we
we
need to put our friend. Sit right there.
We need to put our friend? Why is our friend upset?
Because he likes to be opposite Dari.
Upset down. Upset down. Hey,
2 flags.
I already said it. Why am I sitting in yours?
Hey, I get the cool one.
I'm driving. Oh. How do I get out? I'm driving in that one.
No, you're not. I don't know what are these things for, but we're gonna put it on for protection.
I'm driving. Bam, bam. Wait. We have... Oh my
We
god.
need to put on our chest.
Hey, Omar. I'm on the engine.
Right there.
Why am I on the engine? Let me get
Hey,
up.
we need our trophy to show everyone that we're cool.
I'm sitting in your seat.
And this is my seat. We're ready to launch. Hey, I'm supposed to be the driver. Get the hell out. Get out. Get out. Get out of that seat. What are you doing? You ruined the boat. Thanks. Wow, nice. Thanks. A lot. Now I have to build it all over again. Thanks for nothing. Okay, finally. It's there. You're not driving, I'm driving. You're never gonna drive again. Hey, where's the other stuff for it? Where's my motor? Put on your motor. Now I'm driving. You don't get to drive. You're bad. don't know how to drive. Nice motor.
Motor. And put on.
Put on your own seat. And get this cool treasure chest.
And put it in ours. There was a big, it's so big.
Okay, put that. And then we leave the rest of these. And I need to see which one's the driver's one because I need to drive. Why can I get out? Okay, this is the driver one. Come on, go sit in the other one. Go sit. You can't sit, you're too big. Okay, then just sit over there.
Move the guy.
I can't, you're supposed to move them.
I'm supposed to move.
Okay, now you're on. Okay, now don't do anything. Yes.
Hot dog. Hot dog in the balloon.
Stop, it's copyrighted.
Oh my gosh. Oh my, look at our boat. Look at our boat.
Fire, fire, fire.
Fire. Fire, Elmer. Oh, boat. Oh my god.
Come on, flip over, boat. How do you flip over the boat?
I don't know.
You're lucky on the lucky side. There's a big robot. Oh no. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. This is so dangerous.
Oh my god, the robot.
Ah! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh! Oof, oof,
I'm winning.
oof. Okay, yay, I got 0 of these.
I got so much of these. I got.
Load. Lot.
Where's our boat?
It's loading.
It's really.
Come on, cool boat. Okay, we can only have one motor now.
Maybe the two motors messed it up. My seat. My seat. This is not the driver one.
Yeah, and we need to put some more blocks. Yeah, so we don't flip over. We need more of this stuff. Do we have no more?
Look at that target.
Just stop saying target. Okay.
There's a Z. What the hell? There's a zebra. That's so big. Zebra. Beat me. Since we have one guy, we have fire protections. I want to remember the big robot. The big robot.
Oh, come on.
Okay.
I think. Yeah, come on, go sit. Sit! I haven't got all day. Sit! Sit your butt down.
I sit.
Ah! Oh, turn.
Shoot the cannon.
Oh my god, I messed this up. I can't shoot it. Oh, but it still comes in handy.
The thing is not working.
Full speed ahead.
He might got it.
What the heck? We fall down. And you got oofed. You oofed.
Just do it.
Yeah, I don't know how. But I'm gonna make it without you. Damn. Actually, I'm coming back to save you. Actually, I can't save you. Backward boosters. Do fire the cannon. Whoa, I got on land. Let's boost. Yeah, we're back in business. Oh no, we're not. Oh no, I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving.
I saw you.
No, you didn't. I didn't even get oofy. Dude. How did I oofy? Okay, we're gonna do this one more time, then the video's over because my phone is extremely hot.
It's gonna explode.
Yeah. And then I can't make videos.
Then we're gonna have no subscribers.
What am I about?
Let's see about. Oh my god, we have to do. See which one is the driver. I hope this one is not the driver. This one is not the driver. Come on, man.
Okay, you ready to boost? I think we should be good. Wait, I'm gonna move the chair so we don't get oofy.
I'm gonna put this chair on top of it.
Why can't I get out?
I'm not gonna press it.
I can't get off. Wait, I'll just restart my character.
I can get off.
Yeah, because you're not the driver, duty. You duty. Where's my boat? No, we only have 20%. And my phone's extremely hot.
It's gonna explode.
Okay, it doesn't matter for you, Oofy. Come on, sit. I don't got all day. You want, I'm launching it.
I just sit.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we're good. The robot's over there. We need to run. Rain from robot. It's all the way over there. Whoa. Ding. Whoa. We went opposite die. Landed on the water in this boost. Boost. Do. No. Yes. At least I didn't get oofy. Get up and no. I'm lucky as a ducky. And I am a ducky. And I oofed. Okay. Well, you can win. Also, okay guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys